Python.
What is Python? Python is an interpreted, object oriented, high level programming language with dynamic semantics. The last program we used was GUI.
GUI Python, acronym for Graphical User Interface, computer program that lets the user communicate and interact with electronic device. This is the code we use to create a small screen with buttons on it. Click Run Model to get the result. After we press the word Run, it creates a small screen with buttons. We press this button. After we click here, this will be the result.
Our experience in learning Python was very fun to learn something different and new.